On the BCS homepage, click Products in the top menu. On the left side of the product page, there are several product filter categories. You can choose one or more of these categories to help narrow down your search for a product. For example, if you want to find Honeywell products, you would select the Honeywell checkbox in the brand filter category. The products on the page will then automatically change to fit the filter you selected. Other filters may change or disappear if they aren't applicable to the first one you chose. You can continue to filter your search further by selecting more checkboxes. The products and filters on the page will automatically change again based on your selections. You can remove the filters by deselecting the checkbox or by clicking the X next to the filter category.